Hi boys and girls, and welcome to your math lesson. We're going to start off by reviewing what we're going to learn today. So today we're going to continue learning about 2D shapes. We're going to talk about the name of the shape, how many sides does it have, and how many vertices, okay? So, and today I drew them on a piece of paper and I cut them out so that we can talk about it. So this shape right here is a what? It's a square, right? And so we're going to count the sides. This is the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 sides. Now we're going to count the vertices or the points. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's a square. Okay, next we have the triangle. So I drew a triangle and I cut it out. And now we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to count the points. So 1, 2, or the vertices, and 3. Okay? So it has the 3 vertices or the 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. Remember, vertices is the same thing as the corners where the sides meet. Okay? Alright, and so the next one is a circle. And this is my circle right here. And so the circle has no sides because it's round, and so it doesn't have any sides, and it doesn't have any corners or any vertices. So the circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Okay? The next one is the rectangle, and here I have a rectangle. And so we're going to count its sides. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now we're going to count its vertices. Remember, vertices are the corners or where the sides meet. Or the points. Some kids, I hear some kids call it points. So we'll count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down here. Okay? So that's the rectangle. And then last, we have the oval. And so the oval has no sides either, like the circle. And it has no vertices, so it's round. It doesn't have any sides or it doesn't have any vertices. Okay. All right. So now that we reviewed the names of the shapes and how many sides and vertices, for today, for your homework, I want you to draw your favorite shape. So if you like the square a lot, or the triangle, or the circle, or the rectangle, or the oval, you can draw it. And if you have scissors at home, you can also practice using your scissors, and you can cut them. You can tell mom to help you to hold the scissors the right way, and then you can cut your shape, and you can either send us a video. Yeah, send us a video and tell us, you know, this is my favorite shape. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, and it has 4 vertices. Okay, so either draw your picture or draw it and cut it, and then tell us the name of the shape, how many sides does it have, and how many vertices. Okay, and so that is your homework for today. So remember, today we talked about the shapes, the sides, and the vertices, and you're gonna send me either a drawing or a drawing that you cut off of your favorite shape. You don't have to do all of them. Just choose one and tell us the name of the shape. Show it to us. Tell us the name, how many sides, and how many vertices. Okay? All right. Have a good day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.